What's going on? Buttery Workshop back with another episode, and we're back at Burlington as always, trying to find hidden gems for the low. So let's go find them, guys. Must have been a little while since we've been at this Burlington. Check it out. Got these Nike Huaraches. Love this colorway with earth tones. This is like the updated Huarache. I'm blanking on the exact model, the exact name of this pair of sneakers, but it's got that Huarache DNA. It's still in the Huarache line, but we've never found a pair of Nike Air Mocs at Burlington. 30 bones. Woo! And not only in the black colorway, you got them here in the cream off-white colorway. Cozy boys around the world, rejoice and go to your local Burlington. Now it's our time. You gotta strike while the iron's hot. We're on a Nike run right now. You got these Terra Tigers in that burnt orange colorway. The brown accents, little brown speckle on the midsole. Whew. You guys know I love my trail runners, and these are hard. Here for 50 bucks. Now, I'm not sure if any of you own a pair of these Nike Air Mocs. I've always loved this sneaker, but I've never owned a pair. And I was just walking around trying to find my size, which is size 12, and didn't have any, but I found these in a size 13. I tried them on and they fit perfectly. Now, full disclaimer, I am wearing a Heat Tech Uniqlo sock, so it is like slightly thicker than a standard sock, but the fit was so perfect that I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that if you are interested in a pair of these, definitely consider sizing up, because these fit me perfect. And let me just check the size on the inside. Yeah, these are a US 13 and I normally wear 12, so just a little word of caution if you are on the market for a pair of these. Got another pair of these Terra Tigers, this time in the olive drab and mint colorway. I've never seen this combination before, but it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard. I like these. Let me know if you guys are feeling these. Here for 40 bucks. This is another first for us here. Got a pair of Jordan golf shoes. This is definitely more of a classic golf shoe design, not like the golf version of classic Jordan basketball sneakers like the 6s, the 12s, the 1s. This is the Jordan brand's take on a classic golf shoe. You still see the elephant print there on the heel, and no spikes. This is a spikeless golf shoe, so it's kind of cool. I ain't gonna lie. You got the good perforation on there too. Keep the moisture off your feet, or maybe to let the sweat from your feet escape. But yeah, I like these. Here for 35 bucks. I popped over to the women's section to see if I could find a pair of those Nike Air Mocs in my wife's size. Unfortunately, I don't believe they have them, but they do have these Nike Pegasus 40s. Really digging this colorway too. Nice little running sneaker. Here for 40 bucks. The cold weather is quickly approaching, so it's time to get your winter coats in order. And we've got this Polo Ralph Lauren down winter jacket. Now this is, I already looked at the retail price on this, and it's up there, guys. It's up there. Original retail on this, $448. Now, when I first looked at it, I was like, it's a little high. It's a little high for a down jacket, but it does have a good mix of materials on here. If you look closely, you can see that this is a woven material. It might even have like a little wool in there. I haven't looked at the materials yet, but got a good mix of materials on here. Good colorway. All the little details you'd come to expect on a Ralph Lauren piece at this price point. It's a nice jacket though. It is a nice jacket. It feels like a good weight. But original retail being $448 and it being here at Burlington for $130, it's still like $300 under the retail price, but kind of taxing for Burlington. It is a nice jacket though, I can't lie. It's a nice jacket. We've also got what is essentially like a hooded Nike trench coat. Let me see if I can zip it up so you guys can get the full effect. All right, boom. Here's the full trench coat. See the Nike swoosh right there on the chest. Good hood on there. It's a cool piece. It's a cool lifestyle Nike piece. Now, original retail on this is $375. And I've looked around, cannot find what the Burlington price is, but it'd be interesting to see where they price a coat at a somewhat similar price point that doesn't have the Ralph Lauren name. And let's be clear, $300 under retail is a crazy deal, but we're at Burlington, we're trying to get those super steals, you know what I'm saying? Hard jacket though. It's been a while, but we've got another football kit, another soccer jersey for my Americans tuning in. This time the Manchester United kit. I haven't seen this one before, but it's got the little sprinkles on there. Ooh, I like that. I like that. It's calm, but it's still got a little pizzazz on it. You know what I'm saying? Here for 20 bucks. Let's see. Do we have original tag? Original retail 65. This might be yet another first. Got a pair of Nike Metcons. This is Nike's cross training or weight training sneaker, if I'm not mistaken. Here for 45 bucks. Also got these futuristic Nike waffle trainers as well. Bong, bong. Here for 40 bones. This is turning into a real Nike episode. We even have a pair of Roshis here. Now, I was in the sneaker game long before the Roshis came. When the Roshis came, I saw them. They were everywhere. It was impossible not to see them, but I personally never owned a pair of Roshis. I've never even tried them on, but I know this sneaker is like incredibly popular. And if you're watching this video, chances are you probably had or know somebody very close to you that had multiple pairs of Roshis. But I don't know, I never got a pair. I don't know why. They are here for 30 bucks though. If you're a Roshi person, or not, if you've ever been interested in Roshis, keep your eyes peeled to the local Burlington. It might be there. I need y'all to see the real look on my face when I first saw these. Oh, these Nike Reacts are so buttery. Do you see all of the colors on this sneaker? Oh my God. This is the hardest Nike React sneaker of all time. I don't care if there's another pair that I'm not aware of. Drop a comment down below. Let me know which ones I need to be taking a look at, because these are absolutely fuego. Oh my God. Here in a size 7. These are so fire. I just want to have them, even though they're not my size. Here for 50 bucks. God. All right, I'm gonna find those and I'm getting a pair. Mark my words. Got another pair of these Tyshawn Jones Adidas Pro Model sneakers. This time in a black nubuck, classic Adidas colorway with the 3 white stripes, gold accents. Very clean. Here for 33 bucks. Bruh, the line in there was so crazy. I had to take my finds and stash them in the store, and I'll come back at a later date. It's just, sometimes you gotta take those chances when you're at Burlington. Ain't nobody sitting in a line with 50 people waiting in front of them. I can't do it, I refuse to do it. But as always, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you saw anything that you would have copped. Let me know if you saw anything that you absolutely would not have copped. And let me know if you saw anything in the background I should have paid more attention to. And if you like these kind of videos, definitely subscribe. It's what we do here on this channel. And I'll see you all in the next one. I'm out. Peace.